Hello, Abela David is my name. Welcome to my Excel lecture video. In this lecture video, it shows how we can perform lookup in Power Query Editor. Let's get started. I have this data, order ID, account manager ID, product ID, quantity, price, and revenue. So what we want to do essentially is to actually return the account manager name based on the account manager ID. So also for the product names, we want to actually return the corresponding product names based on product ID. Now I'm going to come back to my fact table, which is also transaction table. So I'm going to I've actually opened a new workbook. So I'm just going to come to data tab. Now I'm using 2019 Microsoft Professional Plus, Microsoft Office. So I'm going to come to new query. So just click file and from workbook because our data is actually in a workbook. So I'm going to just import that into the Power Query editor. So it's going to create connection, which is fine. All right. Now we have this navigation, um, box. So I'm just going to check account manager, product, transaction. These are all the tables that I actually want to import, but these are the worksheet name, so which is not what exactly that I need. Now because I'm using 2019 Microsoft Office, I have this transform data, and this actually replaces combine button. So I'm just going to click on transform data, and it will launch me into the Power Query editor with all the three queries. Okay, so now this is our Power Query editor, and just a moment. Okay, these are all the three queries that we actually imported, which is fine. So I'm going to just click on transaction. So as I've said earlier on, I'm going to return the corresponding account manager's name and product names based on the account manager's ID and product ID, and this is exactly what is called snowflake margin. So in the home tab of the combined group, click on merge queries. All right, just a second, a moment. Now I have this merge dialog box. So I actually want to merge my account manager's ID, then I want to match that in the account manager query, then merge that with the account manager ID. So I have this left outer, which is fine. The selection has matched 500, which is okay. Just click on OK. Now we have this particular column that was added, which is named account manager, and we have this double pointed black arrow. So just click on that. Now I'm going to uncheck use original column name as prefix, then uncheck all. So I actually want to return the corresponding account manager, so I'm just going to check account manager and click OK. So we have actually matched that using the snowflake technique. So again, come to merge queries. I want to do for the product ID. So just click on the product ID column, then I want to match that with the product queries. Click on the product ID, which is fine. Click OK. Again, click that double arrows, uncheck everything, check product names, click OK. Now this is exactly how we perform lookup. So I don't need these two um, columns, so just grab the two and remove columns. So thank you for watching my video. Bye for now.